New data bending added. Product name. The material thickness of the product. Punch and dies. Select the punch and dies. Then here is the width of the sheet metal. How wide the bending width is. And the other options are default, the material, and the bending method. Select this as the default value, and then confirm. OK. First, we set the bending angle, whether the material is a right angle or 90 degrees. This is the back gauge of the bending, and its bending method, outer and inner dimensions for processing. The default value is, the new program defaults to the inner size. You can change it manually. This is the external dimension. And then there's the height on the R-axis, which is the distance between the X-axis and the mold. This is the angle corresponding to the corrected value, the real-time position and angle of correction. This is the X-axis correction, R-axis correction. Then this is the width of the material. This is the plate thickness. This is the distance during feed and the speed during feed. Then the unloading distance is default off. We can turn it on or turn it off, but normally it's turned off by default. This is the return height. It has a maximum and a minimum value. This is deflection compensation, which is called mechanical compensation. This is a pressure gauge. This is the holding time. The default value is the lowest of 0.1. Then, this is a choice regarding the finger rest. First order finger stop and second order finger stop. It will switch when you click. This is called the retraction function. After turning on the retraction function, it's rear guard during the bending process. It will have a backward function. This is called the number of cycles. If you turn it off, it will not loop currently. If you turn it on, it will cycle at least once. This is the total number of bends for the workpiece. Bending quantity. In the More menu, there are 3 bending methods: point and single, and continuous normal bending. You can use single bend, and in this position, if there is a retraction function. For example, when this position is turned on, we need to pay attention to this function. Retreat first, then lower. This is called edge down and edge back. These 2 functions are different. Then when we enter, the first step is to finish the size. When we need to add a new one, click the serial number here. Added the bending size of the second step. In the same way, the same is true for third step. Then we can change the R-axis height. Is set, and it's done. And here is a compensation function. A deflection compensation function. If the plate is longer, it will automatically calculate the appropriate value, or we can manually increase it appropriately. One of its deflection compensation distances. Now the settings are done. We can directly run it.